How to download and install Axis Bank mobile banking application. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Head over to your Play Store from your device and here at the search bar, type in Axis Bank. If you scroll below, you will see Axis Mobile. This is the application that you should have in your device. Now go ahead and tap on Install and wait till this application gets downloaded in your device. Once the application shows open, tap on Open. Then you can open your Axis Banking application from your device, enter your credentials like your username and your password, tap on to login, and that way you can easily get logged into your account. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload.